Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and top up Lycamobile voucher. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the simple thing is for you to, once you have access to voucher, you will simply find the steps for you to follow to redeem that voucher just beside, right? So for you can see I do have that vouchers steps given over here. The thing is, you can simply dial the number as it has given, and the other thing that you have to make sure is, according to your region, you're gonna have to enter the particular region code for you to dial. So let's say for this region it has shown that particular number that you have to access, but according to your place, according to your region, according to your country, you have to enter a different code. Once you have entered that, then you will only be able to access it to actually it to work and get the top up or get the money redeemed. And if you do not understand anything, for assistance you can simply call the customer service on the number that is given below, or you can simply visit www.lycamobile.co.uk and you can simply go ahead and ask them for the help how you can do so. Otherwise, you simply gotta go ahead, type in the number, dial the number. Afterwards, once you call a voice, you will hear, simply follow the prompts that the voice order you to do. Once you have done accordingly, you will be able to redeem your voucher. So that is it, guys. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.